Excited? Well, you should be, because we're about to dive into the perfect recipe of clove oil for hair growth. Stay tuned as we unveil the magic of this extraordinary ingredient. To create this magical potion, you won't need a wizard's wand, just a few simple ingredients. First up, we have the star of the show, cloves. These tiny, aromatic flower buds pack a punch when it comes to promoting healthy hair growth. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound that stimulates blood flow to the scalp, nourishing your hair follicles and encouraging growth. The antimicrobial properties of cloves also help keep your scalp healthy and free from dandruff. Next, we need a carrier oil to infuse our cloves into. You can choose between coconut oil or olive oil, depending on your preference. Both oils are excellent choices, each with their unique benefits. Coconut oil is a fantastic moisturizer and penetrates the hair shaft better than any other oil. On the other hand, olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and E, which protect the keratin in hair and help to seal in moisture. Lastly, while not necessary, you can choose to add an essential oil for fragrance. Lavender or rosemary are great options. Not only do they make your hair smell divine, but they also come with their own set of benefits. Lavender oil can help to improve scalp health, while rosemary oil is known to stimulate hair growth. Remember, the quality of ingredients you use will directly impact the effectiveness of your clove oil. So, opt for high-quality, organic ingredients whenever possible. Now, you might be thinking, that's it? Just 3 simple ingredients? Yes, indeed. Hair care doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest ingredients can yield the most impressive results. So we have our cloves, our carrier oil, and our optional essential oil. There's a certain beauty in this simplicity, a return to the basics, a nod to the natural remedies of our ancestors. It's about more than just hair growth. It's about embracing a more holistic approach to hair care, one that nourishes not just our hair, but our overall well-being. With all our ingredients ready, it's time to get cooking. Scene script. Creating this potent hair growth concoction is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive straight into the process. First things first, gather your ingredients. Now on to the first step. Take your cloves and grind them into a coarse powder. This step is crucial as it releases the essential oils contained within the cloves, creating a potent mix that's going to work wonders on your hair. Next, heat your carrier oil in a pan over low heat. You're aiming for a warm temperature, not boiling. Once your oil is gently simmering, add the ground clove powder. Stir it in well and let the magic happen. As the clove infuses with the oil, it releases its beneficial compounds, creating a rich aromatic concoction. Allow this mixture to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure all the clove goodness is evenly distributed. Remember, slow and steady wins the race here. You want to give the cloves enough time to fully infuse their essential oils into the carrier oil. Once your time is up, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down. Strain the oil, removing the clove particles. And what you're left with is pure, potent clove oil, ready to revive your hair. This is the part where patience pays off. Store your clove oil in a dark, cool place for a couple of days. This allows the oil to mature and its properties to intensify, ensuring you get the most out of every drop. And voila! Your very own homemade clove oil is ready to boost your hair growth. With regular use, you'll soon see the difference. Stronger, healthier, and more vibrant hair. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to give your hair the care it deserves. Now that we have our secret weapon, it's time to put it to use. Here's how. Start by ensuring your hair is clean and free of any other product. Then, using a dropper or your fingertips, apply the clove oil mixture to your scalp, focusing on areas where you desire more growth. Massage it in gently for about 5 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. After that, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, but if you can, leaving it on overnight is best. Remember to cover your hair with a cap to prevent staining your pillow. Now let's talk results. You may start noticing healthier, shinier hair within just a few weeks. However, significant growth usually takes a bit longer. Think 3 to 6 months of consistent use. This is a marathon, not a sprint after all, but rest assured, the wait will be worth it. With consistent use, you'll be flaunting lush, long locks in no time. That's it, a simple, natural, and effective solution to boost your hair growth. We've explored the magical properties of clove oil, unveiled the ingredients, and walked you through the recipe. And let's not forget the demonstration of its application and the impressive results it can yield. This potent potion is more than just a hair growth enhancer. It's a holistic remedy that addresses a variety of hair concerns, from dandruff and hair thinning to premature graying. It's time to bid goodbye to those expensive, chemical-laden hair treatments and embrace the power of nature. So go ahead, give this clove oil recipe a shot. You might just be surprised at how transformative it can be for your luscious locks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And do let us know your experiences with clove oil in the comments. Until next time, keep shining.